Good morning, students. Today we are going to start new chapter in English grammar, which is pronoun. So today we'll learn about pronoun, its definition and types. So let's learn what is a pronoun. A pronoun is a word that replaces the name of a person or object. Or we can say that a pronoun is a word that replaces noun, because name of a person or object is a noun. So if any word is replacing the name of a person, then that means it is replacing the noun. Now let's look at the examples. For boy, we use the pronoun he, him, his, himself. For girl, we use the pronoun she, her, hers, and herself. For animal or object, we use the pronoun it, its, itself. And if there is any group, then we use the pronouns they, them, theirs, and themselves. So now let's talk about types of pronoun. There are 4 types of pronoun: personal pronoun, interrogative pronoun, possessive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun. One by one, we'll discuss each type of pronoun. So let's start with the first type of pronoun, which is personal pronoun. As the word itself is giving us the meaning that it is related to person. So as we all know, a pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun or nouns. So those words that refer to people or things are called personal pronouns. Examples: her, he, she, we, they, it, his, hers. Here we have 3 types of persons also. Like when we talk, we say, I am the first person. To whom you are talking, that is the second person. And about whom you are talking is the third person. So, and these pronouns can either be singular or plural. Now let us take a look at the examples. For first person, we use pronouns such as I, you, we. For second person, we use they, you. For third person, we use he, she, or it. Some more personal pronoun: we, he, I, she, us. Now let's move to the next type of pronoun, which is interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask question. Whenever we ask question, we use WH family words like whose, which, who, whom, what. Now we will learn where to use which WH family words. What is used when we have to ask about thing or action? Like, what is he doing? What is this? So when we are asking about thing or action, we use what. Now where is used when we are asking about place? Like, where is your house? So when is used when you are asking about time? When are you leaving? When will your vacation start? So you're asking about the time. And when you ask about reason, then we use why. Like, why are you crying? Why were you absent yesterday? Why are you upset? And when we are asking about any object or action, then we use which. Which do you prefer? You're asking about that, which one will you prefer? So we have used which. Next is whose. Whose is used when you are asking about belongingness of something. Like, whose key is this? I hope it's all clear to you. Now let's move to the next type of pronoun, which is possessive pronoun. Now possessive pronoun indicates possession. It indicates the belongingness, ownership, like to whom actually the things belongs to. Like, that is her book. So the book belongs to whom? Her. So her is the possessive pronoun. This bicycle is mine. So bicycle belongs to me. So it is mine. Now let's see one more example. Now see, the person here in this boat is fishing, but a bird has taken it away. So what did the person say? He says, it's not yours. That means it does not belong to you. But the bird said, it's mine now. It belongs to me now. When you have to show the belongingness, the ownership, we use possessive pronouns. Let's see one more example to make it more clear. This pen is my pen, not your pen. So how will we write this? We'll write this pen is mine, not yours. I hope this is clear. Let us look at some more possessive pronouns. Mine, his, its, yours, hers and ours. So let's switch to the demonstrative pronoun now. So all of you can see that there is a finger here and it is pointing towards something. So demonstrative pronouns are used for pointing out things. The words this, that, these and those are demonstrative pronouns. For example, these are my pets. These are ships but those are goats. Those are horses. Now very important thing, where to use the words this, that, these and those. It is very easy to understand. Now in the first picture, the boy wearing the red shirt has an apple and it is very near to him. And the boy in the blue shirt has an apple too, but it is far away from him. So this is used when singular thing is there and the thing is near. And that is used when a singular thing is here but the thing is far away. And when you have more number of apples, that means when you have plural and which is near to you, then we use these. And when you have plural number but the apples are far from or the thing is far from you, then we use those. So I hope it's clear. When it is singular and near to us, we use this. When it is singular and far from us, we use that. When it is plural and near to us, we use these. And when it is plural and far from us, we use those. Now it's time to recapitulate. We have just learned that there are four types of pronoun: personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun and interrogative pronoun. Personal pronouns are used for person. Example, I, we, you, he, she, they, me, ours. Possessive pronouns indicate possession or relationship, like mine, ours, yours, his, hers, its, theirs. Demonstrative pronouns are used to point out the things to which they refer, like this, these, that and those. Interrogative pronouns are used for asking questions with WH family, like who, what, which and whom. With this, we have come to an end of our chapter. Revise this chapter carefully and do the back exercise.